Another time of opening some carpet pads. Must complete my collection. I do not have sorbeta. Yeah! She's cute. She's ice cream we love. Okay, we're gonna check this off the list. Sorbeta, check. Cool. I'm so excited to get some non-duplicates. I got Storm, and I already have Storm. Put you in the dupe pile. The dupe pile is significantly bigger than the not dupe pile. I already have this Harmony and Melody, but it is tie-dye, which is cute. Cool. Who doesn't love a good tie-dye? I got Crispin. Crispin, I think I already have Crispin. Hey, Queso, can you not bark? Thanks. Queso, stop with the Borsky. And I got another Pearl, so out of that, I only got one new one.